Hi, I'm Vignesh, and this is the FarmCorder device. So FarmCorder is basically a couple of sensors in a common data acquisition system, and this particular sensor is a leaf chlorophyll sensor. So let's get down directly to what we are going to do. So basically, this is going to be a demo of the capabilities of this particular sensor and how it can measure the chlorophyll amount of a leaf, and also SMS the details to a server. So yeah, right now this is the sensor. As you can see, it has the LEDs and all the photo electronics directly inbuilt to it, and this is the processing circuitry, and the SMS board does the main interfacing, and the basic computer side. All the computer is right now doing is being a display for the particular values for convenience to explain and show. So right now let's start off the demo. So right now I'm going to first initialize the serial command program. So as you can see, the calibration step first takes place and the raw SPAD values are sort of printed out here. Okay, so let's now clip the leaf to the sensor. Okay, so now we have a good contact connection. So as you can see, the values are rising. So this is the current SPAD value. Okay, so let's now send the SMS to our server. So we do this by basically pressing the small button. So as I press it, the SMS should arrive to my phone. Okay, so now you can see this, the SMS has indeed arrived to my phone, and let's view it. And this is the SPAD value of the sensor. Okay, so now let's try this for a different leaf sample. So this is done by again removing the leaf like this, and since the calibration for the environment is still the same, we now directly clip in the second leaf. Okay, now heading over to the computer. So you can see now this is the readings for this particular sensor. Okay, now you can see the values are now consistent for this particular sensor. So now I'm going to press this button again. So now pressing it, and let me wake up my phone. Okay, now you can see the message has arrived. We now view it, and you can see the SPAD value for the new sensor, which is 30.7. So despite the accuracy of the sensor, the system and the sensor were always built to scale, and by that I mean to give it a reach to all the farmers of India. Even though the sensing part is quite important, the major part will be interpretation of the sensor readings, and by that we mean collecting the particular variety and the crop that they're growing, and analyze with our databases and find out how much optimum fertilizer is required for that particular crop on that week. And using that, we can not only save a lot of fertilizer, we can also build up a huge database of how farmers are farming, and also induce a better advisory system for them. So hope you enjoyed this.